Welcome to the channel, and for today's video is going to be a quite different scenery of my adventures, as it was meant to be forecast of raining and thunderstorms throughout the day. However, I ended up walking to this former royal summer residence estate, which is Mon Repos. The estate was built around 1828 to 31 by a British Lord of High Commissioner, United States of the Onion Islands, Frederick Adam, and his wife, who was a Corfu. However, he had to be evacuated due to him having to serve his time in India. The villa was rarely used as a residence for later British governors. In 1833, it housed a school of fine arts, while in 1834 the park was open to the public. Empress Elizabeth of Austria stayed there in 1863. Here she fell in love with the island, where she later built the Achillean Palace. After the union with Greece in 1864, the villa was provided to King George I of the Hellenes as a summer residence. He renamed it Mon Repos, French for my rest. The royal family used it as a summer residence up until King Constantine II fled the country in 1967. The villa subsequently became derelict but was restored in the 1990s. There has been several royal births at this place, with one including Prince Philip, the husband of Queen Elizabeth II, who have passed on in recent times. He was born on a dining table, believed it or not. Following years of despair of the estate, it was soon decided that the villa will be confiscated by the Hellenic Republic in 1974, which led to the King Constantine II without any compensation, which then led to the European Court of Human Rights. The King's argument centered on the claim that the property in question was acquired by his predecessors legally and was therefore subject to regular personal inheritance. The Greek state argued that because the property was either used by the royal family by virtue of its sovereign status or obtained by taking advantage of the status once the monarchy was abolished, the property reverted to public ownership automatically. The court ordered the Hellenic Republic to pay the exiled king compensation of less than 1% of its worth and allowed the Greek state to retain ownership of the property. Many of the ruins also that were scattered here are from centuries ago, that remains of a much older settlement town. Therefore, an earlier foundations has been left without a trace before the city of Corfu has seen today. The estate, in my opinion, does need more attention and care to live up to its name, but however, I will think that will not much happen anytime soon. Thank you for watching this interesting video. that are made about the Mon Repos Estate. I am sure it will be back to its life as a museum and produce much further tourist attraction one day. Please considering subscribing and leaving a like, comment and share the content that I've created. Stay tuned for more adventures in the near future.